7 Halloween decorations you can make with your kids. Rose and skull frame.
Now that we took the roses off the stems, now we're going to start sticking them on here. Best way to do it is cut this off.
And glue it with the hot
So when you take it off, this is what's going to happen. So see, this is going to fall off. So once you've secured them again, see, you know what we're going to do now?
What?
We're going to hot glue them. Look, you hold this, you put it in after I put the glue. Okay, so I'm going to put the glue here. Leave that, yeah. Push it in. We're done putting in the roses.
Yeah.
But now, if we put the skull in here, you won't be able to see it. So do you know what we're going to do?
What we're doing is we're going to put the flower in, and then we're putting the skull inside.
Yeah, hot glue inside it. And then you stick in the, stick in the rose. Perfect. We push it in and we make sure it opens up. Okay, wait. Now put it in, but without touching your fingers.
What do you think? Do you like it?
It looks creepy.
Halloween picture frames. This is a trick to cover all your frames. First, you need some glue tag, and as you see, I stacked some glue tag on. Then all you do is you put. Now you have a Halloween decoration. When your Halloween party is done, you take the picture off. Blood candles!
So we just need a few candles. They can be white or black. And you need one red candle. So we're going to put the red candle on.
And then we're going to let it melt. And then it gets right onto the candles.
Don't do this alone. You have to do this with a grown-up.
Yes, you have to. Honestly, it's scary.
Keep going. Yeah, lovely.
Paper plate moons. First, you need a paper plate and then some yellow paint. Now we're going to paint the paper plate with some yellow paint. Now I finished painting it, and now I'm going to leave it to dry. I cut out a witch and I cut out 2 bats. And now I'm going to stick them on the moons. Then stick them on. And now they're done. Yarn wreath.
I cut the middle out.
Yay! I've cut them out.
And I chose orange yarn, and Celine's chosen the black yarn. And we're going to wrap them around with the yarn. You know, you can do like a bit of orange and a bit of black if you like. Yours can be stripes.
We finished wrapping our wreath.
Alright, now you're going to put a witch. So we got a cutout of a witch.
And
she's going to hang it in the middle of a wreath. And I made a little spider, and then I'm going to show you how to make this little spider so that we're going to stick on to my wreath.
I'm a wicked witch.
We're going to make a knot. Can I make the knot, please?
Okay. A wicked...
It's beautiful, isn't it? We need 2 pipe cleaners.
2?
Yeah, cut this in half. We're going to make the legs. Make sure they're all the same size. Now we are going to attach them all to make them into...
The spider. I know.
Can you put that one in? Thank you so much. So now we've got 8 legs, like this. Now we take this yarn and we just wrap it around. So just wrap until you can cover the whole thing up.
I need to put eyes on Spooky.
Yeah. So we've got these self-adhesive gemstones, and she's going to put the eyes on.
They look really spooky, but also shimmery.
Now we're going to stick them. Glue this one up. Yeah. So these are the wreath that we made. We're going to hang them on the door, right?
Yeah. Toilet roll bats. First you fold here, and then the other side. So then you got these 2 bat ears, and then you put some glue to stick it on just in case it doesn't fall off. And then we paint it black. Now I'm going to let it dry. Now I'm going to stick on the eyes. These tricky eyes balls could. And now we're going to stick the teeth. I'm going to staple on the back wings. So now I have finished stapling the wings on, and now they're done. Pom-pom spiders.
We put the yarn between these two fingers and we keep rolling, wrapping it around our fingers. Cut, please.
Okay.
And very carefully, look, Sissy, you're going to help me? We're going to wrap it around a few times and then tie it. And now you're going to do the cutting part.
I'm going to cut all these edges.
Good. No, here. Cut. Just cut around it to give it more of a round shape. So any straggly long ends, you need to cut them off. It's like giving this fuzzball a haircut, right?
Finish cutting, you have to brush it.
Not too hard, just very softly.
Now we're going to glue the eyes on over.
Yeah, come on.
Glue isn't your owner, but honestly, this.
Put some black pipe cleaners, okay? And
We're
you just need to sort of see where the middle is. So bend them, stick the legs on the bottom. Now we glued the legs on and we let them dry. And now we're just going to fix them so they look like this. Do you know how to do that, Cece? We'll just make them straight. Now
we're the same.
Look at our boat. Look at our spiders.